Howdy do. Hi everybody, it's me, Jara Bee. Welcome. Thanks for clicking on this video. Today's video is going to be a what's in my bag on this Michael Kors. This is the Bedford medium logo tote bag. I did a unboxing of this handbag, so if you're interested in seeing that video, go ahead and check that out. So let's get right into it. I'll give you a quick overall of what the bag looks like. Here's the front. I adorned it with this Coach keychain here with the beautiful flowers. So here's the front, here's the side, here's the back of the bag. We have two full-size pockets here in the back, the side, and then here is the bottom. It has 4 feet here at the bottom. All right, so let's get right into what's inside. This first pocket here, I have my phone. And then I have in this pocket, and it's kind of hard for me to reach inside of this pocket because of the Coach charm. I'm thinking about taking this off. Let me go ahead and do that real quick because I don't want you guys to hear a bunch of noise and stuff. So anyway, here in this pocket, I have my hand sanitizer, and I have a handkerchief to wipe my hands off with, or to, if I needed to wipe up spills, or to pat my brow or something like that. I like having some type of reusable cloth on me. So there's that. So that is all that I have in the front pockets. So here in the back, I have my keys. And then I just have this animal print key loop here. And I have my pepper spray, my keys, and my whistle. And then this pocket here, I have my eyeglasses. Okay, so here's the inside. Try to give you guys a little peek of what the inside of her looks like. So I'll start with this back zippered pocket here. Oh, you guys, let me mention something. This is my first Michael Kors handbag, okay? I want to dip my toe into this brand a little bit. I just purchased another Michael Kors bag, and I will show you guys that in a upcoming video. So stay tuned to my channel. But what I wanted to mention, if you guys can see, I don't know, this bag has these strings hanging from it. You see that? I don't know if you can see it. And then here's a string here. Let me see. I don't think that the camera is going to see. There it is. You can see that. See, there's a string here. There's a string here. You see that? And I've been cutting these off. It's like these strings are growing. Here's another one here. I don't know if you can see it. But there is another string here. So I don't know what's up with these strings on this bag. I don't know. It's kind of putting me off a little bit. I feel like I don't know, for my first Michael Kors handbag, and then to see all of these strings hanging from it, I don't know, y'all. And like I said, I've been cutting them off, and then like every day it seems like there's a new string hanging from somewhere from the inside of this bag. So if you guys have ever experienced that with Michael Kors, let me know. This is a cotton coated canvas handbag, so yeah, I'm not down with that. So anyway, let me get back into what I have in this zipper pocket here. I have a mask, and then I have just the card, the tag that came with the handbag. I have some cotton nail flushable wipes, and then I have some wet ones, and then I have a post-it note in case I need to write down any kind of notes or anything. And then that is all that I have in the back zipper pocket. Okay, so then there's a slip pocket here. I don't know if you can see it. Let me see if I can turn this around. Okay, I think you can see it better here. There's a slip pocket here, and inside of here, this is new for me. This is a tissue cover, tissue case. And you just unzip it here, and you pull out a tissue, and take care of yourself. Okay, so then I have in the back, the front slip pocket, my favorite hand cream from Bath and Body Works. This is just called Hand Butter. I really like this. My faithful Carmex Fresh Cherry Lip Balm. This is a perfume atomizer here, and then I have Jean Paul Gaultier. I forget the name of the perfume, but the perfume bottle is shaped like a woman's torso. That's in there. I don't know why I have another set of post-it notes in here. And then my Fenty Beauty Hot Chocolate Lip Gloss. My Morphe liquid lipstick that you guys have seen these lip products. I need to switch out my lip products. You've seen these in the last couple of what's in my bag videos. And so I also have in here some of my eye drops. Like I've mentioned before, I was having problems with my eyes and I have to take eye drops every day, medicated. And then my High-Tech C Coletto ink pen. High-Tech C Coletto pens are my favorite ink pens right now, so that's that. And then that is all that I had in this slip pocket. All right, so moving forward, I have my mask holder here that has two masks. And then I have this little pouch here that I bought off of Amazon. And inside of here is my candy. And I just have some chocolates. I'm trying. This is going to be my last week eating chocolate, y'all. I swear to God it is. Oh, let me not make that promise. But anyway, there was my chocolate. And then on the other zipper compartment of this pouch, I just have my wired ear plugs right here, and some candy, a mint, a Tic Tac that I got in these mints. I got in some friend mail. And then this is also new to me, you guys. I purchased this from Amazon recently, and it is a Swiss Army knife. And then let me show you what this has. So when you open it, on this side is a little pair of scissors. You see this here? So some scissors. And I guess I can use these scissors to cut off these strings. I'll do that once I stop recording. And then you pull this out, and then we have like a little knife right here, and then a little nail file here. And then you can also use these tips for tools, like a little flat Phillips screwdriver type of head type of thing. So just, you know, some tools that you might need. Nice and small and compact. Got it off of Amazon. And I also want to mention, I think I forgot to tell you guys that I got this tissue holder also from Amazon. And so that is all that I have in this pouch. But there's that. Moving forward, I have my change purse here. And then I got this from Amazon. And then here is a little pouch that I purchased from, I forget, I want to say Walmart maybe. I don't know where I got this thing from. And then I just have my spare keys and stuff like that is inside of here. And the zipper is not the smoothest on this little pouch, but there that is. And then I have my Steve Madden hot dog pouch. I just wanted to add a little bit of color here. So inside of my hot dog pouch, ain't it cute, y'all? I just wanted to add something a little fun to my bag. I just have, this is like my cosmetic case, and I had to downsize not significantly, but I did have to downsize a little bit to get into this bag, y'all. So I have a hair tie. I have a Shout wipe to go. I have my Neutrogena makeup remover towelette, some of my face cream, some Gas X pills, some dental floss, my eyebrow and eyelash groomer, some lens wipes, a bandage, my pill case, bling bling, some eye drops, and an eyebrow groomer right here, and then some more Gas X and one single little bobby pin. And that is what I had in my Steve Madden hot dog pouch. Okay, and then last but not least, I want to show you guys my wallet. This wallet right here is the Jet Set Travel large logo quarter zip wallet. Okay, y'all, listen here, love this wallet. I have been in this handbag for about a week now. Okay, the best part about this Michael Kors setup here is the wallet. I love this wallet. I am going to have a hard time switching out of here. It looks like this. Just a quick little overview of what the inside of this wallet looks like. This is a full-size continental style, like I said, quarter zip wallet right here. I love it. I have so many things packed in here: coupons, money, cards, all kind of stuff, y'all. I have in this wallet. I love it. I'm not really ready to move out of this wallet, but I'm kind of ready to move out of the bag. But the wallet, I'm loving. All right, so you guys, that is all that I have in this Michael Kors Bedford medium logo tote bag. All right, ladies, so here's a quick little overview of everything that I had in this Bedford medium logo tote. But yeah, everybody, I hope that everyone is doing good. How's everybody that lives in the cold climate states? How you guys faring throughout the winter so far? If you have any questions about anything that you saw in this video, don't hesitate to let me know or to ask me down in the comments section. And I appreciate each and every one of you guys for checking out my channel. And until next time, everybody, stay safe. Bye.